Alright guys, here's the WaveScan for July 25th, 2006. Start with Apple. Okay, long, sideways, 4-ish type of thing. No pattern. Aim at. Not tradable. Amazon, not tradable. Trying to find those third ways. Poor Broadcom. Still stuck in that 4-ish, 5-ish move. Not looking good at all. See me. Wow. Big gap down. If it was sustaining the lows right near 448, it would have been a good short, but too late. And it's got a little rally off the lows. Not worth it. Serenade. Right now, I have a position in the spiders, excuse me, the stock, the underlying stock of S&P 500, and I'm watching it right now. But just in case, do the WaveScan. Serenade, nada. eBay, poor eBay, just keeps dropping. Nothing more. E-Trade. Okay, this is one of my setups I'm looking at right now. It still needs to take out 2350, and it's still far away from it. And an index needs to turn around for any shot of a break of 2350. That's still worth looking at, but it's not going to happen today. I doubt it. GFI. Again, this is one of my trades I had, setups I had. I grabbed about 1% right here. Excuse me. I should bring this up more often because you can actually see my arrow when I'm pointing. Okay. This right here is where I shorted. Where I had the web alert to short, and then I took the profit right there. But then it rallied, and then boom, third wave. So I was saying there's a third wave down to 20.6, and look where it got to. It's on one of my videos on my blog. You can find it. It's, I need to organize all this stuff, because the more I organize this stuff, people will see my calls, and they'll be like, wow, this is extremely powerful stuff, man. I just need to organize it so people know. A lot of stuff is kind of tucked away in my sites, and people don't even know what's going on. But anyway, I'm gonna quit babbling. Let's stock. GG. Nada. It's an upward 4. Not a pattern. Google, same thing. Stuck. Nothing. Hansen. Wow. Look at that. There's another setup I had, but this is not an impulse at all. Not impulsive at all. See right here. That's not an impulse. KLA10 core. Okay. It all depends on the NASDAQ right now. I mean, the worst case scenario is a drop below 38.50, 38.45. But NASDAQ and the S&P and Dow have a third wave setup, so I'm not exactly ready to short yet. Bam, bam research, just a dead kind of 4-ish kind of move. Nada. Marvell. Nada. Monster Worldwide. Nada. Knight. NITE. Maybe if it breaks 1640, maybe, but I don't really trust that formation. NTAP. This is one of my setups. It needs to break 3110. If you can take that out, you can form a third wave. That is a good shot at third wave, but it's not there yet. But those are the two stocks I'm watching. Eddie's is E-Trade and NTAP. Nettie's not. Am I saying this correctly? 17? This thing is extremely volatile, this Nettie's. All these Chinese internet, like Baidu. Let me take a look at Baidu. These were my favorite stocks to trade in 2003. Good old Sohu and Sina and Nettie's. These were my favorite stocks. I love them. They just, take a look. I'm going to go back in time. Because, you see this move right here? I was hitting third waves non-stop from these guys. Look at that. See that thing? Boom. This is what happens. There's a reason why my percentage-wise I was up so much, because I kept on grabbing those third waves on these things. Look at these guys. See Sohu? And then that's the sorry action after that. That's too bad. Anyway, where am I at? NOX. Let me go 10-day chart. I said 10-day. This chart is kind of messed up. I don't know why. Not a conspiracy. I just think this chart is really good, but for some bizarre reason, it just doesn't work for me. It doesn't work sometimes. It's just weird. We'll go 5-day. Okay, close it down a little bit. See, it's just weird. I don't know why this happens. Weird. Anyway, there we go, 5-day. Nada. Yeah, this WaveScan is taking a little longer than normal, but I'll just run through it. Nada. Palm. Qualcomm. See, a lot of these guys are just stuck. That's the right word, stuck. Stuck. Qualcomm is stuck. Red hat. Okay. It has patterns, but it just doesn't follow through. It has these pattern breaks, but it doesn't have this really like courageous type of follow through, you know. RAM, nah. That looks more like a 4. All the stuff looks like 4s when I'm really looking at. Ooh, there's a good old SanDisk. I was watching it last night. I saw like a 19%. It was around 15-19% yesterday after hour. Their earnings just blew out. It was couldn't see that coming. There's no pattern there, so I won't trade it. Under Armour. Had the pattern break. Okay, that's something I'm gonna watch. Under Armour, UARM. Bookmark UARM, NTAP, and E-Trade. That's a wrap.